Right. Titanium. Okay. Ερή, εδώ έλα κάμενα. So that is Seasonic's Optiguard. We see here the Prime Enterprise TX with the Optiguard system. This PSU is not out yet. A Founders Edition, 5090. So there's a lot of to lose if something goes wrong. And let's look at the software per pin. It shows exactly per pin. Load distribution is quite good, I can say. And there is also temperature sensor. This is, I think the XPG system didn't have a temperature sensor, only had current sense. Total power, protection is alive. You can see a lock here if protection is triggered. Bluetooth, so this system is still Bluetooth. Let's see. I like the software. The software is nice. Software is good. Bluetooth, okay. So there's no USB connection to the PSU. Nice. Okay. That's very interesting. I'm not sure now with, but yeah, you don't have EMI issues because it's inside the PSU. Okay. The cable is of nice, very nice quality. Yeah, I like the cable. Very high quality cable. It's among the best quality cables I have seen, seriously, guys. You know, it's kind of funny. You throw thousands of euros and dollars to buy a graphics card, thousands, 3, 4, 5, even more in some cases, and it all depends to a $20, $30 cable. It all depends here, guys. If this goes wrong, yeah. Unlimited ones. Okay. Κοίτα, τι είναι αυτά, πολύ ωραίο τέτοιο,
Πολύ ωραίο. Anyway,
There are only us and Delta that are DGX workstation RVL.
Ah, okay.
All right.
Yeah.
So this is also Dell RVL.
Okay.
So let me explain the difference. This is beyond NVIDIA for, and also 3.35 volt
Yeah.
combined is higher.
Okay.
Addition to that, this is for EMC. So it's not for looks, it's for EMC.
So it blocks radiated or conductor?
Yeah. Radiated.
Radiated, okay.
And the fan is a 12 centimeter Delta or Sanyon
Okay.
And
Very
so,
high quality.
So the objective is right now, this particular power supply is for the mid-range AI servers. So everybody wants to have their own sandbox.
I remember, yeah, the servers that, yeah, I remember the story. That they want to use desktop is used there, yeah.
So this is what that's for. And we have individual packing. We also use Siemens test parameters for industrial power supplies.
Oh, okay.
So for example, whatever you see on the regular ATX testing on the scope, you don't see the spikes, but we use a Siemens methodology, timing everything expanded. You can see all the different,
Oh, okay.
everything's derated inside.
Okay.
So we check everything. All the components are upgraded. We're shooting for 0 DOA on delivery.
Okay. Oh.
So we have individual packing. So that means you can ship it out one unit, and we also have pallet size packing.
And I guess this will be expensive.
No, just a little bit more.
Wow. Okay.
Eventually, this will take over all the prime power supplies. The efficiency characteristics
Ah, the same. Yeah, okay.